in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing the fees on Coinbase versus Uphold so you know which platform gives you the better value when buying, selling, or transferring crypto. Coinbase fees, buying and selling. Coinbase charges around 0.5% spread plus a flat fee or percentage fee depending on how much you buy. Advanced trading, Coinbase Advanced. Fees range from 0.0% to 0.60% depending on your trading volume. Deposits and withdrawals. Bank transfers can be free, but debit credit card purchases have higher fees, usually 3 cent plus S. Crypto transfers. You also pay network fees when sending crypto out. Best for beginners who want a simple interface but don't mind paying a little extra in fees. Uphold fees, trading fees. Instead of charging a separate fee, Uphold adds a spread, usually 0.8% to 1.2% on major cryptos like BTC and ETH. No extra commissions. The spread is already included in the price you see. Deposits and withdrawals. Bank transfers are usually free, but card deposits may include extra charges. Crypto transfers. Network fees apply when sending crypto out. Best for people who want transparent pricing. You see the price you pay upfront. Coinbase versus Uphold. Which is cheaper? For small, quick buys, Uphold might be cheaper because there's no separate commission. For bigger trades, Coinbase Advanced can often have lower fees than Uphold. For simplicity, Uphold's all-in-one pricing is easier to understand. Hashed final verdict. Choose Coinbase if you want a beginner-friendly app, easy withdrawals, and access to advanced trading when you grow. Choose Uphold if you prefer transparent fees and a straightforward experience. That's it for today's breakdown of Coinbase versus Uphold fees in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto comparisons. Coinbase, Uphold crypto fees, how to mastery.